And just letting you know, over the past 14 days, our cases have went up now 50%, our daily rate. So you can see, looking where we were a little over a month ago, you can see that our cases have doubled. Our daily case rate has doubled since then, and the percent positive is also doubled. Vaccination status, you can see the rates by race and by age. 18% of 5 to 11-year-olds are now had one dose, and 11% are fully vaccinated. And then you can see the rates in the other areas. Still that concern is that those young people that are, even though like with the 18 to 24-year-olds and then the 25 to 49-year-olds, yes, you've got over 50% vaccinated, but you have between 35 and 40% or more that are unvaccinated. So that's still where we're seeing that's a concern. Vaccine, we had the vaccine available for adults and children at the health department whenever our clinics are open. So far this week, we have a little over 400 people on this calendar. We have just under 500 actually on the schedule for this week. We were at 800 last week. We have boosters available now. It's a little interesting with the boosters, the way it is. So the way the boosters work now, you can get it, it's adults 18 and older can get Moderna or Pfizer or Johnson & Johnson booster if they meet the proper timeline, 6 months after Moderna or Pfizer or 2 months after J&J. The FDA just last week expanded booster eligibility for Pfizer to 16 and 17-year-olds. Again, they have to meet that timeline since their first and second doses, but now that's available for 16 and 17-year-olds. Yeah, I think some of it is Thanksgiving. We're getting 2 weeks now past that, so I think it's a combination of what's left over from Thanksgiving, but also just seeing people really just in the community, more indoor activities, more people doing what they do, and obviously we need to wear the mask. I think that obviously that's very important that people do the right thing, wearing the mask, keeping the social distance, and those things. But we're seeing obviously more indoor activity, not just Thanksgiving. So I just want to go up. I'm concerned that we'll have an uptick. I don't believe we'll get to where we were with Delta numbers, where we had 250 cases per day, but we're averaging now almost 120. So hopefully this will level off and won't increase much more.